In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom product badge in Shopify. We'll walk through the entire process step by step so you can highlight things like limited, new, or bestseller right on your product page without using an extra app. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the products section and click it. You'll see a list of all your products. Choose the specific product you want to add a custom badge to and open that product so you're in the product editor view. On the product editor page, look over to the left sidebar and find the section called Product Organization. Inside that section, you'll see a field for tags. Click inside the tags text box. This is where you'll create the badge label. In that box, type the word badge followed by a hyphen and then the badge text you want without any spaces. For example, you could type badge limited. If you've used this exact badge tag before, it will appear in the dropdown and you can simply click it. If it's brand new, choose the option to add that tag from the dropdown. Once you've added the tag, go up to the top of the page and click Save. Next, go back to the left sidebar of your Shopify admin and click Online Store. Under Themes, find your current theme and click the option to edit it. This will open the theme editor. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a drop-down that usually starts on the home page. Click that drop-down, then go to Products and choose Default Product. That way you're editing the template that controls your product page layout. On the left side of the theme editor, under Product Information, click Add Block. From the list of available blocks, choose Custom Liquid. After it's added, you can drag and drop this custom liquid block to position it where you'd like the badge to appear in relation to the other product details. Click on the custom liquid block to open its settings. You'll see a text box where you can paste your liquid code. Paste in the code provided for the badge functionality. You can pause the video here if you need more time to enter the full code. Inside this code, you can adjust things like alignment, font size, font weight, and font color to match your store's design. Once you've done that, look at the live preview on the right side of the screen. You should now see your custom badge appear on the product that has the matching tag. If you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your custom product badge is now live on your Shopify store.